Gua sha. What is that? Everybody is going crazy, right? So my patients keep asking me, can I do gua sha every day? Will it make my face slim? Can I end up getting a tighter jawline? Guys, all this cannot happen. So please don't fall for it. Gua sha is a kind of a handheld tool which can do just about drain away the excess fluid from your face, like how other tools like face rollers and all of that can do, or simply your fingers can also end up draining all the fluid from your face. Secondly, what it can do is assist in lymphatic drainage, which is also a sort of fluid, right? So excessive swelling or fluid in the face retention can also happen because of lymph not draining out of your face properly. So what can these tools do is also assist in lymphatic drainage. The third thing that it can do is, while you're using various oils and creams and using a gua sha or a roller, it only helps in assisting more blood to flow there. If you end up doing this with your hand, there'll be more blood coming on the face, right? So that's what it assists. So your skin can look temporarily pink and red. Now what can go wrong with the gua sha? Oh my God, I have had patients come to me with bruise on the face trying to use the gua sha in a very harsh way. Yeah, so please don't use too much pressure when you're using a gua sha. Do it very gently, firm, gentle, but not too much of harsh pressure. That's very important. That's what can go wrong with a gua sha. What can't a gua sha do? It cannot slim your face. Absolutely no chance. Don't buy it if anyone is saying so. It cannot slim your face. The only thing that can slim your face is actually cardio, the right diet, and maybe to a small extent highly focused ultrasound, and then of course procedures in your doctor's office like fat dissolving injections like deoxyfolic acid. But no gua sha or face roller can actually slim your face. What gua sha cannot do is give you a sharper jawline, because just because it's in this shape and you keep doing this, that's not going to give you a sharp jawline. Yeah, so when you use a particular tool, be totally aware of what it can do and what it can't do, and use it for what it can do. That's all this is all about. Enjoy the Bombay rain.